In Threads, if you want to schedule posts, you can do that. The post will go live at the set time. In this video, we'll show you how to schedule a post on Threads. First, open the Threads app. At the bottom, you'll see a plus button. Click on it. When you click it, you'll land on a page like this. Here, you'll see an option to add a new thread. Type whatever you want, or if you'd like to add a photo or video, just click this button to upload one. To schedule the post, look up top for three dots. Click on them. When you click those, you'll see a schedule option. Click on schedule. You'll then reach a page like this. Here, you need to set the time. For example, I'm setting this time, so the post will go live then. After that, click the done button. Below, you'll see the schedule option again. Click on schedule. Once you do, the post will be scheduled. You'll see it's set for tomorrow at 11 a.m., meaning it'll post then. That's how you can easily schedule a post on Threads. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.